Hello friends, welcome to Communication Skills for Everyone. Today let us learn lexical and grammatical competencies. What is competence? Competence is the quality of being competent. We can say a person is competent when we have proof of him working over a period of time to a desirable standard. So the proof must show that they can bring many parts of a job together. So when one is able to bring different skills together to prove his mettle and ability to create is then considered competent. Competence can be proved not just because of what he can do, but because of how he applies that ability in the field of his work. Hence, the competence means the ability to grasp the English language and use it appropriately when time demands. So, communicative competence. Communicative competence is the underlying competence system of knowledge and skill required for communication. So, there are four areas of communicative competences or fall under communicative competence. First one, grammatical competence, so which is concerned with mastery of the language code, vocabulary, and linguistic semantics. Right, semantics is the study of meaning. Right, it goes. Second one, social linguistic competence, so which involves the decisions about appropriacy of language to context, right, language to the context. And when we move to the text, third one, discourse competence. This is the ability to construct and maintain in negotiation properly coherent talk and text. The next one, strategic competence, which involves in decisions about how to repair breakdowns, right, how to repair certain breakdowns that occur in communication or to enhance the message. So communicative competence is the ability to use language properly in productive and receptive situations for real communication. Next, let us move to grammatical competence. Grammatical competence is the ability to recognize and produce the distinctive grammatical structures of a language and to use them effectively in communication. Grammatical competence is the ability to recognize and produce the distinctive grammatical structures of a language and to use them effectively in communication and to use the forms of the language. What are the forms of the language? Sounds, words, and sentence structure. Grammatical competence in English is very essential for communication, otherwise wrong meaning will be conveyed. So that's what is important. Let us move to the lexical competence. When we say lexical competence, it is the ability to recognize and use words in a language in the way that speakers of language use them. Lexical competence includes understanding the different relationships among families of words and the common collocations of words. When we talk about lexical items, we refer to the words that are stored in our minds and that all together build our mental vocabulary. So lexical competence is a term derived from second language studies, especially competence in English. When we learn English as a second language, we are learning and storing somehow a set of lexical items that will constitute the second language vocabulary. So grammatical and lexical competence. It is the ability to use both competencies in order to recognize, produce, and understand words and grammatical structures to use them effectively in written and spoken communication. Then one is called he has competence in grammar and lexical. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Communication skills for everyone for more academic and educational videos.